What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be starting the video a little differently. Today I just wanted to get started and start doing the install off camera. So we're going to do a little montage of me getting everything done. In the meantime, I've done this install plenty of times before, so I didn't want to bore you guys with all the same content. So enjoy the video. We're gonna go ahead and start taking all of this off. So you got your basic ones right here. You got your 2 bolts right here. This is gonna come off. And then my favorite part, which being ironic, taking the shifter off itself. All you gotta do is you gotta pretty much go in here. You take it off with the Allen keys. I have to use Allen keys because I have aftermarket base bushings on this. Pro tip, while your fiance's in the back seat, taking pictures of a before shot so we can get how it looks before and after. Use her Little Mermaid sun visor to make sure you don't get too much light in the car. So essentially, obviously, that's how it looks with everything on it. This is gonna get replaced. Oh, and by the way, this is the Type R shifter, an OEM Type R shifter I bought from Honda. So this installation for this hybrid racing shifter, you can use it on any of the 1010 platform. So you can use it on the Type R, the SI, hatchback, base, whatever it is, as long as it's a 6-speed manual. Once you start getting, you unclip that part, this part right here, another part right there. You need to start disconnecting it from right here. You gotta get the little ball joint. You gotta disconnect this right here with the clip. Then you have 4 bases that hold on to the shifter assembly itself. And before you take that off, you need to take off these shifter links. A couple of pieces in here, there's like a little, not a switch, but like a plastic piece that you need to bend a little bit so that this comes out on both sides. Just...
I think these should keep in the back.
No, yeah. But like, this is the stock Type R shifter that I have, guys. This is the hybrid one that's gonna be going in. This is gonna look sick. So they do provide with everything you need. And then these right here, they're gonna be connected to the bottom base of the shifter. So you have 4 in here with some washers. You're gonna put them on the bottom right there as well. So we're gonna go ahead and put this in the car, and we're pretty much gonna go in reverse order of how we took it out. When you get into this step right here, guys, check it out. Hybrid Racing says you need to put this back on here, and then you need to start shoving this. You need to start shoving the cable into the floor garment. They said it's gonna take a little bit of force, but it will go through. That way you can line up your shifter with the holes. So first things first, we're gonna line up these cables where they belong, right here. Okay, so highly recommended, guys. Put these 3 in place. Don't tighten them up all the way. And then you're gonna need to wiggle it a little bit to get the last one in there. This one was harder to get because of everything that's on top of it. So luckily, she got smaller hands than me. So now we got that tightened in, that tightened in, that tightened in. She's getting the last one right here. These cables, you need to force in just a little bit, but you can get this in. This is nicely secured already. So now all of them are tightened up, guys. So now a challenge that I saw is, I'm pretty sure this is gonna be a little difficult to get, but I need to install this right there. Oh, this is stiff. Oh, I'm stupid. I still don't have one piece in. Oh my God. Put the clutch in. This spring right here, guys, that she is holding, it's a stiffer spring. So if you want less stiff and feeling, you got to swap it out with the one that comes with it right now. So right now it's on the stiffest setting. I'm gonna swap that out in here. So those 4 bolts, 2, 3, 4 right there, that's gonna come out, and this is gonna open up, and we're gonna swap it out. In the words of Hector, this is gonna shoot up like a rocket. Oh, damn. Where's the other shift shifter? Dude, look at that size difference. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but
you can definitely see that on camera.
Can you? Yeah. We're gonna put this one on there. With this, guys, the nice thing about the shifter, and I believe the Acuity has it as well, you can adjust the height on it. But right here, I'm gonna leave it on the lowest setting because I do like it when the shifter sits lower. And obviously, it's probably not gonna sit like this. We're gonna adjust it as needed once I have the sleeve on. But, oh. Okay. This is nice. I kind of want to try the stiffer one now. This feels very, very nice.
Now that you have everything undone, you should try both.
Yeah, I'm gonna try both. I'm gonna try it out. So we'll get back to you guys in a bit. This is on. I ended up putting back the stiffer setting from the spring. So let's just go ahead. Put this all the way in. Dude, this feels... This sits pretty high, but I like how this feels right now. Reverse, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, reverse. Even going into reverse feels short. It vibes. Oh, because of the whole red and the balloon?
Yes. Or like freaking Winnie the Pooh vibes.
Winnie the Pooh. Oh, that's funny. All right, let's go ahead and take some pictures. All right, well, we're gonna go ahead and start putting everything back onto the vehicle. So check it out. This is the shift boot collar that came with the shift knob that I got. So this elastic piece comes off like so. And all you do, put that in right there, turn it inside out, and then you slide this on there. Pretty simple. Check it out. So now it's on. When you flip it inside out, you have the band that it came with on right there. A lot of people like running this shift knob or the Acuity shift knob, particularly without this, mainly because this looks great. This looks amazing. It looks cool. It's style. Like, it makes the interior pop when you have it like this. But I'm not going to leave that on there, mainly because with my luck, I'll probably drop something in here if I'm not running a sleeve. So, and I don't want to take everything off and fish it out. You know what I mean? So just for safe measures, I'm going to leave this on with it. I have mine angled slightly to the left. I want to say like around 11 o'clock. That way, when I put the boot back on, it slides in. I'll probably adjust it as needed, but as of right now, everything should go according. All right, guys, finishing touches. Putting this on. Bam! That's it right there. So there she is, guys. She does sit a little bit taller. Does feel good. It sits at a perfect spot. It's really, really crisp. I can't wait to go drive this around. The next thing we're gonna do, guys, hybrid racing cable bushings. This is fairly easy to install. You just need to take off the battery. You take this tray off, and then right in there, you'll be able to reach in. So the two pieces we're gonna get is that right there and that right there. So all you need to do is take off these clips right here. Same thing with that. I might need to take off my intercooler hose just a little bit to wiggle this out, which is not a big deal because I have everything in hand. Okay, go ahead and shift. Pretty straightforward. I did have to end up taking out one of my piping to my intercooler because it was too big. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on, and we're gonna go ahead and go around and do a drive. Oh, there we go. Oh my God, dude, this feels so nice. First driving impressions. Well, let me put the AC on because it is. I want you guys to be able to hear me. That is short. That's really short. It does sit a little higher than what I'm used to. I am used to having everything sit a lot lower, shifter-wise. This is in the lowest setting already, but just driving from first to second, it's really short. 6, reverse. This feels really, really nice. Yeah, this feels amazing. I can't wait to go and push this car in the canyons. This shift knob in your hand is very similar to the poke below shift knob from Acuity, just that it does sit a little bit higher. It feels like it's the same finish, and then obviously since it's new, it just feels so nice in my hands. Ora. I guess the next thing I really want to look into is some shifter cables that I'm going to be doing sometime in the future, and an updated CMC. I can see why people go with Acuity. I think Acuity is just a little bit shorter, but this definitely is shorter than the Type R shifter. So like I mentioned before earlier in the video, guys, I was rocking the Type R shifter because it is a very good bang for buck shifter. It reduces the throw about 25%, 20 to 25% in the SI to the Type R short shifter, and it's plug and play. It fits perfectly with the whole car. Now with this one, like I mentioned before, Hybrids uses it in all the 10th gen platform. So you can use this on the SI, and you can also use it on the Type R. And there are two different settings on it. I do have it on the shortest setting, and so far no complaints. This is a first drive. I still got to push this and see how it feels when I'm banging gears, which I'm not going to do in this video because I am running, let's go, because I am running low on time. But first to second is very short. Third is very smooth. And it does help that I have the cable bushings as well from Hybrid Racing. Third to fourth is good. I don't know if the best way to say it is smooth. It's like notchy, but smooth at the same time. Like it's like the best of both worlds. Getting in and out of gear feels really good. I am very satisfied with Hybrid Racing's product right here. And in my previous videos, you guys have always been telling me to get a short shifter, get Hybrid Racing, get Acuity, and everybody always opts for Acuity. I was opting for Hybrid Racing, and we just happened to be able to get it going. So let's go ahead and pull in, see how it feels when you downshift. Oh, downshifting was really good. Going from fourth to third, those cable bushings helped out really well. Let's go from third to second. That feels really good. Yeah, downshifting definitely did improve with those cable bushings. Even if you guys are watching this video just for the cable bushings, like, it definitely worth it. Cable bushings, one of the first few mods I highly recommend on a stick shift car, no matter what you do, if it's just a daily, track, or race, whatever you want to use it for. Cable bushings are one of the best things you can do to a car, especially with a short shifter. It just changes the whole driving experience. So good.
Because you had them before, right?
I had so before I had the Perrin cable bushings, but it only came with one, which was the bigger size. Hybrids Racing is a little bit more solid, and it came with both the big one and the small one.
Okay. Because I saw what you took off, I just didn't know.
So the red one was Perrin's.
Yeah.
That was an aftermarket one. That was one of the first things I did to this car.
Okay.
If you guys know me from my past, I always like trying products that no one likes to try, just because I'm very curious when it comes to, like, why isn't anybody trying this? Why isn't anybody trying that? That's why I opt for the Perrin cable bushings. With nothing wrong with those, it felt great, but these definitely do have higher material and do feel a lot better.
That's my fault. I feel like I was able to tell when you were downshifting.
You think so?
Like it felt
smoother,
better.
right?
Yeah.
Like it didn't feel like it was forced.
Yes. Which with the other ones you were.
I wasn't a big fan of how high the shifters felt, but now it feels really good. I feel like putting it on its lowest setting still isn't as low as what I'm used to, like I mentioned before, but it does feel really good. It's like at a perfect spot. So I think I prefer this now over the lower profile one.
Why are you so nervous?
I'm not nervous. I'm drawing blanks. This is how I am when I record. From the top.
Make it drop.
This was a first drive, and as well as the install video to the cable bushings, the short shifter assembly, and the shift knob. First drive, very impressed with how the car feels completely different. The cable bushings are the ones definitely helping, and the fact that it is a lot shorter from the Type R shifter feels really, really good. As of right now, it is about 50% reduced throw. I do feel like it is a lot more than 50%, but maybe it's just the excitement that I'm feeling right now. So once again, thank you to Hybrid Racing, and I really appreciate you guys reaching out to me so I can test out your guys' product on my 2020 Honda Civic Si. I'm very excited and I'm very grateful for giving me the opportunity to do this on this vehicle. So once again, thank you to Hybrid Racing. Anyways guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys are new to the channel, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe. We are getting close to 20,000 subscribers. So I'm gonna mention this in this video. When I hit 20,000 subscribers, I am gonna be doing a giveaway. Me and my fiance have been thinking about it, and we wanna reach out and thank everybody for supporting me and supporting us actually, because she helps me out with this car as well. And I wanna say thank you to everybody. And instead of just saying thank you, I wanna reach out and give a giveaway. As of right now, I do have 3 prizes that I'm gonna be giving out. I'm not gonna tell you what they are right now. You guys have to follow me on social media, Castillo_2240 on my Instagram. I do post a lot more right there. And I do have all my mods and my social media linked in the description if you guys want to check that out. And we'll go ahead and get that going. So closer we get to 20,000 subscribers, guys, pretty sure you guys are going to be excited with what I'm going to be giving out. I do appreciate everything you guys have been doing, and I'll see you guys in another video. You guys have a good day. Peace.